Mastercam India, we are committed to empowering Indian manufacturers with cutting-edge technology, skill development, and innovation. Our solutions are designed to drive efficiency, precision, and competitiveness in the evolving landscape of manufacturing. We are proud to collaborate with Machine Maker to recognize and celebrate manufacturers who are redefining excellence with advanced machining technologies. On 22nd of March at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, we invite industry leaders and innovators to join us in this celebration. As a part of this initiative, Mastercam India will nominate outstanding customers who are leveraging our technology to push the boundaries of manufacturing. We look forward to honoring their achievements and fostering meaningful conversations on the future of Indian manufacturing.